Welcome to part 1 of how to make kava. During this series, I'll be breaking down all the steps that you would need to make some amazing kava. Definitely start off by buying some very good premium kava. You'll also need some kava blender. Also, you can get some dried lemongrass. This one is optional. You will also need a big bowl, as well as a blender. When you open up your kava bag, don't be alarmed, it will look like dirt. Next, you're going to measure out about 3 tablespoons of kava, and you'll be putting that into your blender. After that, I'll be putting in about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of the kava blender. Then I sprinkle in just a little bit of the lemongrass. After that, I do let it sit for a little bit. As you can see, there is some of it that's dropping down. After that, it's time to blend. I usually do mine for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low setting to start off with, and then after about 1 to 2 minutes, I do set it to a higher setting. After you're done blending, you'll let the kava sit for 15 minutes. That way, all the kava lactins will provide that kick when we're all done. After the 15 minutes is over, your kava should have this nice creamy look. From there, you're going to take the muslin bag, open it up, and pour in the kava very slowly. Make sure that everything is out of the blender because every single portion is important. Next, you're going to want to twist the bag like this, and you're going to be squeezing out all the kava into the bowl, kneading out every last drop. The contents should look like this after every single piece of liquid is out. Next up, you have your kava. Now it's time to pour it into a cup, and now you have some delicious kava.